Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting and impactful topic: how to start agricultural microfinance. If you've ever dreamed of making a difference in the agricultural sector while also creating a sustainable business model, then this video is for you. Agricultural microfinance is a powerful tool that can help smallholder farmers access the financial resources they need to grow their businesses, improve their livelihoods, and contribute to food security. So let's get started. First, let's understand what agricultural microfinance is. At its core, agricultural microfinance provides small loans and financial services to farmers who typically lack access to traditional banking. These farmers often cultivate small plots of land, and they may not have sufficient collateral or a credit history to qualify for conventional bank loans. Agricultural microfinance aims to bridge this gap, offering tailored financial products designed specifically for the unique challenges faced by farmers. Now that we have a clear understanding of agricultural microfinance, let's explore how to start your own microfinance initiative. The first step is to conduct thorough research. You need to understand the agricultural landscape in your target area. What crops are being cultivated? What are the common challenges farmers face? Are there existing microfinance institutions, and how do they operate? Gathering this information will help you identify the needs of farmers and tailor your services accordingly. Once you've done your research, it's time to define your mission and vision. What do you hope to achieve with your microfinance program? Is it to empower women farmers, support sustainable farming practices, or enhance food security in your community? Having a clear mission will guide your decisions and help you communicate your purpose to potential clients, partners, and investors. Next, you'll need to develop a business plan. This plan should outline your goals, target market, financial projections, and operational strategies. Consider how much capital you'll need to start your microfinance initiative. This could include funds for lending, operational expenses, and marketing. You may want to explore various funding sources, such as grants, impact investors, or partnerships with NGOs. Remember, a well-thought-out business plan not only helps you stay focused, but also attracts potential investors who share your vision. After establishing your business plan, it's essential to understand the regulatory framework surrounding microfinance in your country. Different regions have different laws and regulations governing financial institutions, so make sure you're compliant with all legal requirements. This may involve registering your organization, obtaining necessary licenses, and adhering to financial reporting standards. Consulting with a legal expert in microfinance can help you navigate this complex landscape. Now that you're on the right track legally, let's talk about your target audience. Who are the farmers you want to serve? Understanding their demographics, needs, and challenges is crucial for designing your financial products. You might consider conducting surveys or focus groups to gather insights directly from farmers. This will help you create loan products that are not only accessible, but also beneficial for their specific agricultural practices. Once you've identified your target market, it's time to design your financial products. Agricultural microfinance can include a variety of offerings, such as small loans for seeds and fertilizers, savings accounts, insurance products, and financial literacy training. Keep in mind that farmers often have seasonal income, so flexible repayment plans are essential. Consider offering grace periods after planting or harvesting seasons to ease their financial burden. Next, building a strong team is vital for your microfinance initiative. Look for individuals who share your passion for agriculture and community development. Your team should include financial experts, agricultural specialists, and outreach coordinators who can connect with farmers. Training your staff to understand the unique challenges farmers face will enable them to provide better support and guidance. Marketing your microfinance services is another critical step. You'll want to reach out to farmers through various channels. Consider hosting community meetings, partnering with local agricultural cooperatives, or using social media to spread the word about your offerings. Building trust within the community is essential, so be transparent about your mission, services, and the benefits of microfinance. As you start lending to farmers, it's crucial to implement a robust monitoring and evaluation system. This will help you track the progress of your clients and assess the impact of your services. Regularly gathering feedback from farmers can guide you in refining your products and ensuring they meet their needs. It's also an opportunity to celebrate successes and share stories of how your microfinance initiative is making a difference in the community. In addition to monitoring your clients' progress, consider establishing partnerships with agricultural extension services or NGOs. These organizations can provide valuable support to farmers, such as training on best practices, pest management, and sustainable farming techniques. By collaborating with these entities, you can enhance the overall impact of your microfinance program and ensure that farmers are not only receiving financial assistance, but also the knowledge they need to thrive. As your agricultural microfinance initiative grows, you may want to explore scaling your operations. This could involve expanding your services to new regions, offering additional financial products, or even leveraging technology to streamline your processes. Digital platforms can facilitate loan applications, repayments, and financial literacy training, making your services more accessible to farmers. Finally, remember that starting an agricultural microfinance initiative is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. Stay committed to your mission, be adaptable to change, and celebrate the small victories along the way. Every loan you provide, every farmer you empower, contributes to a larger movement of sustainable agriculture and rural development. Thank you for joining us today as we explored how to start agricultural microfinance. We hope you feel inspired and equipped to take the first steps toward making a positive impact in the agricultural sector. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your ideas and experiences in agricultural microfinance. Until next time, keep dreaming big and making a difference.